Stop ordering takeout and make this crispy honey sweet and sour chicken at home instead. This might be one of the best easy dinners I've ever made in years. So let's get started. Okay, now we have our chicken breast. We've already rinsed our chicken breast, petted it dry. We're going to cut these in nice cubes. Okay, these are our pieces of chicken. We've done about 3 nice size chicken breasts. Okay, we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of Be Sure to season blend. We're gonna put 1 teaspoon over our chicken breast. Okay, 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/3 teaspoon of salt. I've got 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and I'm just gonna toss that. Let's marinate this for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, we got a lot of pieces of chicken, so now we're going to be making our batter. So we're going to be needing 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And this one, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of water. Then I need 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, then I'm going to mix all of this together because I'm getting a batter. I need a batter here. Okay, it's supposed to be loose, just like this. And you want to make sure you stir it even and make sure you get everything incorporated. Okay, now I'm going to dump this chicken right on into my batter, just like so. There we go. Then we're going to mix all of this up together, making sure it all gets into all of this batter, just like this. I've got my oil heated up, and you want to make sure it's about 350 to 375. Okay, so into the pan that they go. Now I'm gonna make sure I take each chicken and I'm gonna spread it out in the pan. Okay, I've got a red bell pepper, green bell pepper. I'm just gonna slice down. Okay, I'm gonna take my green pepper and I'm gonna cut this green pepper into nice wedges. Okay, I got about a tablespoon of vegetable oil into my pot. And I've already rinsed and my green peppers, my onions, and my red bell peppers. And I'm just going to throw these in here and I'm going to give these a full cook, just about a minute or 2. Then I got some pineapple chunks that I want to put in and toast those up really nice and well. So a couple of minutes with those. Okay, I'm removing my vegetables. Still a little crunchy is what I want. Delicious. I've got a cup of water and I'm putting in a whole 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. All right, and I'm going to mix this well. 4 tablespoons of ketchup. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. A pinch of hot pepper flakes, just a pinch. And then I'm going to pour in my water with my cornstarch mix. And I'm going to mix that up very well. And you want to put a little oyster sauce in here, just a little bit. And you want to mix that oyster sauce up in there exactly with that wonderful sweet and sour sauce that we made. Now this is what it's supposed to look like, but you can adjust it to your liking. Taste it, see what you need. If you need any more, you like a little bit more tang or more sweet, and you can do that. Add the vegetables. You can adjust your sauce how much you want. I just took the bowl of sauce and put it in a bowl, and I'm going to stir this up and adjust it. There's my chickens. If you need more sauce, you can.